Oh. Ay, layo. No. Oh, so sad. Hey everyone, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. How's everyone doing? How are you guys? Let me know how my audio is. Good morning. Thank you, Jan. Let me just check. It's not showing up. Okay, there it is. All right. Okay. Hey everyone. Kamusta ang week so far? How was your week? Challenging? Oh, by the way, I heard na maulan today dyan. So, ingat-ingat you guys. Safety first, above all. Make sure everyone is safe. I heard walang tigil and orange level yata yung ibang areas. So, ingat kayo guys. And yeah, it's for here. Wala, mainit. Humid dito ngayon. It's like maalinsangan. And sa Monday pa daw yung chance ng ulan namin. So hopefully umulan dito. We need it here. Good morning, rainy season na, yes. Here we had a haboob this week. It was around, oh, but if you don't know what a haboob is, it's a dust storm. Nakakatakot siyang tignan kasi para kang lalamunin talaga. So I think it was Tuesday. It's a category 5, so it's really strong. And delikado talaga siya kapag inabutan ka sa kalsada. And when it happened, I think 11 p.m. yon na naramdaman namin lumakas yung hangin. And then, dun sa area namin, sa Kasita, naamoy namin siya, naamoy alikabok talaga. And pinag-usapan pa namin, lipat na ba tayo sa main house? But yeah, it passed. Pagka ganun, ano lang naman talaga siya, saglit lang. Kasi it rolls, nagro-roll siya. Parang siyang twister. Ganun, pero dust. Yes, it's evening here on my end and nasa ibang area na naman ako. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, palipat-lipat lang ako dito. I wanna try sana ulit doon sa Casitas. Pero I don't wanna risk it, lalo na pag live. Kasi, yun nga, last time, mapangit yung coverage. So, ingat kayo dyan. Kung kailangan mag-stock up, make sure that you have stocks. And kung maiiwasan naman lumabas, huwag nang lumabas. So yun, buti na lang weekend na and the kids are safe. Yes, good morning. Masarap yung weather, enjoy nyo lang. Bad weather, it's a bad weather. Alright, I wanna get started with what I posted earlier. Sino nakakita nun? No, pinost ko earlier. I mean, my morning, it was midnight your time. So, it was a photo of me. It's an every Friday thing for us na we have to attend and learn more about biologics, like stem cells, and stuff. Ang dami ko natututunan kahit na hindi naman ako doktor. I have to like learn the terminologies and It's good. It's a good lesson for me. And hi, Miss Floor. Welcome sa VA Newbies. And I was like, when he was sharing the doctor, so yung photo na yon, he's a doctor and he owns the company, the product, and he was sharing a lot of stuff. And what caught my attention was like, this is a guy similar age sa boss ko, or he's even older than my boss. And he knows how to prompt his AI. They use AI heavily, by the way. Yung kanyang sales manager, I think, hindi kami nalalayo sa age, and hindi din kami nalalayo when it comes to integrating the AI. Okay, so alam ko kasi I get their materials, I have access to the materials and stuff. And nakikita ko, okay, so I know this is prompted in Claude and such and such. But what really surprised me is that the doctor himself uses the AI. And sabi ko, nako, hindi talaga uubra na hindi kaya this is something urgent talaga. It's not something that I'm scaring you, but it is really here na. The AI is here na, and it's really changing the business. The last 10 years, walang masyadong pagbabago. Hindi ganito kalaki yung changes. Of course, there are changes when it comes to the tools. Like nagbabago, dati Monday, ang tawag dyan? Rave na rave sila sa Monday na tool, and then here comes ClickUp, and then here comes the Go High Level. I remember yung ClickUp, parang saglit lang siya na rave. And then napalitan siya kagad ng Go High Level. And when I look at it, sabi ko nga sa Claude ko, I don't get what's the hype with the Go High Level. And then sabi niya, understanding my workflow, naiintindihan niya daw kung bakit ganun ko na lang, hindi ko naman dina-down, but ganun ko na lang siya hindi i-highlight yung Go High Level. Kasi it's really just a tool. And so, nung nakita ko yung doctor na yun na, oh, he knows. So, hindi pwedeng mapag-iwanan yung mga VAs, yung mga mag-a-assist, yung mga aspiring VAs like you guys. Kasi even the clients themselves use the AI tools. And doon nabanggit ko din last Tuesday, 'di ba? When I was in San Diego, syempre ang tagal namin sa pila nung anak ko. 'Di ba? Ang tagal naming nakapila and nagugutom na ako. Yung anak ko hindi siya, I don't think nagugutom na siya kasi parang syempre high pa siya dun sa nakapasok na kami. Pero yung 5 hours na pila namin sa linya, syempre nakaka-tired din, and of course you need to drink, you need to have something. And so I went to this like store, nakita ko siya na okay, so para siyang 7-Eleven. And then sabi ko, oh, sige, bibili na lang ako doon para mabilis lang. Wala namang pila. And may mga security doon sa pagpasok mo. Pero it's just a turnstile. Like, may itatap ka lang na card. Itatap mo lang yung credit card mo. And that's it. Wala nang registration, wala nang whatever. You just tap your card there. And then you go in. And then you choose sa shelves ano yung gusto mong bilhin. And so I was like picking stuff. I think I bought 4 stuff. And then I just went out. That's it. And then I just received a text message or an app message that ito yung total ko. And that's it. Wala nang cashier. Wala nang self-checkout. Everything is like so automated na. And so, that is a huge problem because 10 years ago, hindi natin na-experience, hindi namin na-experience yung ganitong change. Hindi namin siya, um, walang wave na ganito, na changing everything sa business, sa work. And so, even though nag-promise ako sa mga nasa executive funnel ko, I'm so sorry about that, na we're starting this August na, and I actually have the agreement, etc., the portal. However, I have to, like, this is most pressing. And sabi ko nga, parang sobrang late na nga yung August 29, but unfortunately, yun lang talaga yung availability ko to do the live session. Remember, it's a workshop. It's gonna be a workshop, and you will have access to the portal, simulation, handbooks. I've already prepared everything there. Yun, inuna ko muna siya kasi talagang sobrang pressing. Kasi this is the problem. Okay, number one, clients are already using AI for research, for quick answers, for calculation. These are the tasks ng mga VA noon. Namin. Research, unless I guess you get a boomer client like me, pero yun nga, katulad nung kanina, I think he's a similar age nung client ko, and yet he knows how to do the AI. He knows how to command it. And I guess yung resistance na lang ng client ko sa AI yung nag-hold back sa kanya. Pero if he wants to, like, I always tell him, use your Claude. I would always tell him, chat with your Claude so that he understands you. Kaya lang, ayaw niya, and so he would ask me stuff. And so I would just send him mga, pinrom ko kay Claude. So he still needs me. Pero eventually, and most of the time, lalo na, let me see the data. And I'm giving you the data, okay? So when you prompt, and when you Google search, sino yung mga employer businesses. Okay? If you're gonna look at employer businesses ng November 2025, so this is the most like recent census. Ang mga employers, yung mga company, most of them, 5.9 million are US employers. 80% of them are white-owned firms, white-owned. And then mga Asian is 11% lang. So most of the businesses are here. And then mga Hispanics are like 8.4% lang. And so yan yung tally, okay? So alam natin na madaming employers white-owned. And then if you're gonna look at the generations of those employers, most of the employers are Gen X. Okay, Gen X. So 49% of those. So Gen X is the between boomer and millennials. So familiar kayo doon, di ba? And Gen X are like most of my clients actually. Mga clients ko, kung hindi Gen X, millennials. And then I have that one who's in the boomer era. Oh, of course, my mom is also a boomer. So Gen X owns 49% of US small businesses. So itong mga to, kung titingnan nyo sa data, they can manipulate AI. They know how to use AI. Baka nga naunahan na nila kayo. Okay? Millennials like si Coach, 21% lang. Okay, yung average na entrep na business. And so, in, in short, yung mga Gen X, sila yung single largest ownership group share na men, and then women ownership are rising fast. Parang sumusunod sila sa yapak nun. And what is my point on this? I wanna express the problem that you're facing na hindi nyo pa alam. Kasi nga, yun, number one is that AIs are being used by the clients themselves na. So, ang thinking, kung yung VA ko na i-hire, mas alam ko pa kung paano gumamit ng AI, anong use niya sa akin? Right? Anong maiaambag niya sa akin, sa business ko? And a VA, number two is a VA who can't work with AI hindi siya ini-skip ng mga client because hindi siya capable to understand it. She's being skipped because hindi niya pa mapakita sa client, wala pa siyang proof that she can do it, that she can manipulate it, that she can command the AI. And so why would I hire you kung lahat ng pieces sa business ko kailangan ko pang ituro sa'yo? Alright? Including AI. And dati pwede pa nating sabihin na may mga question yung clients and they would reach out sa VA nila and the VA would say, I'll come back to you, and then you can even bill it. You can even bill research, right? Research, formatting the research, curating data in the internet. Inaabot ako ng madaming oras. Minsan isang buong shift ko, nuubos ko sa research. However, you cannot do that anymore. Kasi si AI can give you the result in just a few seconds at naka-format na. Diba? So, syempre, sino ang pipiliin ng client? Diba? Doon na ako sa makakamura, mabilis lang, nadi-deliver, or even yet, why would I hire a VA kung kaya ko naman mag-prompt, right? Kung yung traits, kung yung skill set mo na meron ka ngayon na hawak is replaceable by AI, you are in big trouble. Kasama dyan yung research. I think I gave a list of that. Backread kayo nung Monday. And you cannot build it anymore na ganun ka-exhaustive. Hindi na yan yung binabayaran ngayon ng mga clients. Ano ang mga binabayaran ng clients ngayon? Someone who can double check the result of AI. Whenever a result came back, someone has to prove it. Someone has to make sure na ito nga ba yung hinihingi ng kliyente? Or basta ka na lang tinanggap mo yon. Malalagot kayo doon. Right? Last problem. I have like 4 problems. Last problem is yung kung pag sinasabi mong trainable, coachable, eager, yan yung mga usual na selling points ng mga ng mga VA, ng mga newbies. And now you're going to be compared sa chatbot. You're now going to be compared sa bakit ititrain pa kita eto nga na train na to. 'Di ba? So yan yung huge problem that you're facing right now kasi although admin task, someone still has to like command AI to do the admin task. Meron pa rin yan. Mga deliverables, someone has to command pa rin yung AI. Basically, ang hindi ma-replace ng AI are the commanders. Okay? So, yun, nagbigay ako ng example na dati, kahit na sasabihin mo lang na I'm a fast learner, right? I'm willing to train. sellable siya. Kasi, syempre, isipin ng client, basta naman matitrain ko siya, then, I would risk it. I would take a risk. Pero ngayon, why would I need someone na I need to train pa? 'Di ba? So, this isn't a scare tactic na sinishare ko sa inyo. It's really an eye-opener. Like, you have to do something about it. Even if you don't take coach approach, kahit hindi nyo i-take yung approach ko, kahit na iba, or kahit na self-study, you have to. You have to really make sure that you're up to date with your AI. Siguro ako, I started 2 years ago when I got here. I already know about ChatGPT. I was already using it. I was using Midjourney for a client. So that's an AI too. Ngayon nga, parang ano na siya, natabunan na yung Midjourney. Sabi sa akin, yung client ko ang nag-introduce sa akin noon sabi niya, do you know Midjourney? And then I said, no, what's that? And then she said, oh, you're gonna be blown away. This is something else. And she works in a real estate digital marketing sphere. And pinakita niya sa akin, and oh wow. And so I signed up. And it was really giving good results. Pero syempre, nandun pa rin yung anim yung daliri, yung mga gano'n. Hindi pa siya fully, integrated yung AI nun. But now, ChatGPT is good. Like, I use ChatGPT for graphics, and it's really good. And naawa ako talaga sa mga graphic designers namin. I do have, and I do see a lot na nalilay off na, even the web developers. Okay? Because I tell you what, the web developing, dati, it takes hundreds of thousands para lang magka-website ang mga client namin. I work on a digital marketing company, and so dati, 100K, kontrata yon, pipirmahan ng mga doktor para lang ma-establish namin yung simple website nila. And, wow, ngayon, Claude can do it. He can like you just command him, give him the prompts and branding, he will do it. I just let my Claude, I tested it once. This is one of the pages. Let me see if I can share with you. Of course, this is hindi particular sa client with this one kasi hindi siya, what do you call this? Hindi siya SEO. Okay? So I'm going to share you this. This is made by Claude from start to finish. I don't know if you're seeing it. All right, you're seeing it na. Everything here, ang pinaka ginawa, he is even the one who made the pages and etc. Right? He's the one who did it. Nakikita ko siya, nagwo-work siya. It will ask you to access the Google Chrome, and I just allow it for the sake of I want to test it out, right? I want to test it out. And siya yung gumawa. I just watch him. Like, I'm watching him working. And then, when that's done, ang trabaho ko is to check if everything is working. Or kapag ka, let's say, may pangit na formatting. Like, initially, this website is not full width pagdating dun sa formatting niya, and I have to like tweak it manually. I have to find out where the code. So, medyo nag-interfere pa din ako. Pero siya ang nag-layout, sections, even the what do you call this? Animations. Siya yan. I didn't even code that. I just told him, okay, this is the branding. This is what it should include. Ito dapat yung laman. And he did it. So now, yung dating binabayaran namin na web developer, we don't need that na. Which is unfortunate. And dun ko nakikita yung mga sa groups, kasi I'm also inside the groups. Nakikita ko yung mga web developer, of course, they're looking for someone that would hire them. And unfortunately, no one that can do what I do. I mean, as a company, I would not hire someone na just to build me a website. Kasi magkano ang binabayad sa kanila? Right? 25 per hour. I'm not sure anymore sa panahon ngayon. Pero yun, mas malaki yung matitipid. And yeah, if we're gonna look at capitalization, of course, mas malaki yung makukuhan take home ng mga client if they're just gonna lay off yung mga kaya naman lang gawin ni Claude. It's sad, pero it's fixable. Lalo na sa inyo kasi you're all venturing dito sa VA world, and hindi pa kayo like wala pa yung resistance, because some companies, by the way, are resisting against AI, right? And I'm also gonna discuss that sa workshop. By the way, if you don't know what I'm talking about, which is I'm pretty sure puzzled kayo, lalo na kung wala kayo sa group. So, kung wala pa kayo sa group, make sure you comment group para ma-send ko yung link dun sa group. So, by the way, sa group, I have this thing happening. It's an AI workshop, AI DNA Uncoded. It's gonna happen on August 29. And it's gonna be 3 hours long na workshop plus the portal access. So the portal access is a simulation. It's a series of tasks that you will be doing to model your AI, to tweak it, to basically prompt it the right way. And I do see, based dun sa poll na ginawa ko, I did a poll sa channel. We have a channel here sa Facebook group natin, Facebook page natin. If wala din kayo doon, make sure that you join para ma-notify kayo every time I post. Base dun sa poll na na-receive ko, yung result nun, it's not sustainable yung ginagawa niyong way ng paggamit ng AI. That's not how you do it. Ang dami ko natutunan din, Coach, dahil sa binibigay na pinapagawa sa sa intern. Yes, isa yan sa perks nyo. I mean, you would think that it's like a bad thing or a tedious thing. How do I say it? You would think that it's pampabagal, pero actually no. What I'm giving you guys is really something that would upgrade your knowledge. Kasi internal yan eh. Lahat, internship nga eh, di ba? Everything that's happening internally, you can have an idea on what's going on. So yes, kung kayo ay nasa pro subscription na membership, you have a chance to do the internship, also Spark. Okay, for starters, not yet. Because matatapos naman na kayo, starters. 2 more weeks to go. Congratulations. Matatapos na kayo. So yes, pinatapos ko muna yung starter, and then I'm gonna be focusing dito sa AI workshop because it's really important. Now, I want to emphasize on this one. This is not just an ordinary AI workshop. Alam nyo naman si Coach, ayoko nung basta-basta lang. 'Di ba? Ayoko nun. Ayoko nung basta lang naturo. Tapos, after that, what happened? Ayoko din ng basta-basta lang na certification. So, sabi ko sa inyo, maarte si coach. So what I did, kaya medyo na time restraint pa ako, I have to register the workshop. So this is a registered workshop. And the certification is not just me giving out a PDF certification. So when you take the workshop, you have the choice if you want the certification. If you don't, then the simulation and the portal access is enough. That's fine. Pero I'm giving you the chance to be a certified AIVA commander, or what I call CAVC. 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 It's gonna be an extra sa inyo kasi certification siya na masisearch ng client online. Yun yung tinatrabaho ko. Naging madugo, pero I just don't want to hand you out ng basta lang certification. I want you na sabihin nyo sa clients nyo that I am a certified AIVA commander. Na kadugtong yun ng, alam niyo yun sa mga nurses, although wala tayong licensing. Sa mga nurses, di ba, pangalan nila and then may nakadugtong na RN. Or sa mga doktor or whatever, OB-GYN. You're going to have the choice if you want to be certified, your name and then CAVC and then your certification number. Now, you can give that to your client na mga ina-applyan nyo, and they will be led sa, it is a public access, so they can access that database, and they can search for you kung totoo nga yung sinasabi nyo na certified kayo, because your name will be there. That's why this is a separate, kaya choice nyo yun. If you want that, then I would suggest that you sign up sa AI workshop sa 29, complete the 30-day access. You will be given as soon as possible, if you would coordinate with us, the admins, that you want to take the certification. We are going to prepare you for the certification. Kasi the certification, alam niyo naman yung mga bar exam, di ba? May ganun siya. There's going to be a defense, and we will prepare you for that defense. Okay? So, I don't know kung ano yung reaction nyo on that one. Hi, John. Andiyan si John. Hi, John. Andito si Noah. Say hi, Kuya John. Yeah, I just saw someone very important, very, sa amin. Dear, almost a family, si John. I saw you guys. Yeah, it's something, and I can't, I don't wanna preempt stuff yet. I'll continue to release more updates in the coming weeks bago mag-workshop. But this is something, of course, it's gonna be US registered. Clients will be able to verify. And yeah, I would suggest that you guys take it. Lalo na ngayon. Kasi I'll be showing you how to prompt properly, how to command, how to set it up from start to finish. And we will be building lots of stuff. Okay? Sabi, ang saya maghanap ng buyer and seller leads. That's true. Ayan, manual pa rin yung ginagawa natin yan. Pero actually, meron ng AI for that. What do we call that? Apollo.io, I think. Yeah. Apollo.io or Apollo.ai. Anyway, it's a lead, it's like sales, LinkedIn sales now. Pero, what I'm giving, yung seller and buyer leads, it's manual. So, kailangan pa rin ng VA. Yung mga ginagawa ng mga interns, yan yung mga tasks na mariretain. Something that needs a VA to do. Pero, for everything else, yung mga deliveries, yan, AI will take that. Formatting books, formatting the reports, making the reports, hindi na kailangan ng VA dyan. I-feed mo lang. Even meron, merong isang task na ayaw ko. The copy-pasting, right? Or the typing. Ayaw ko yan. Ever since. Ayaw ko talaga yan. And, and most of my clients actually, dito kasi uso yung business cards, right? Uso yung business cards. And, they would business cards are an important thing. It's like, currency yan. And so, we would get business cards. And, isa sa mga trabaho ng VA noon, they would have a sheet, they would type in everything on that business card. Ngayon, alam nyo, isasend sa akin ng client yung picture ng business card. Isisend ko lang din siya kay Claude. I don't have to type it. He would compile it even. I don't have to manually type it. Dati, it would take me 30 minutes yung file ng business cards. Ngayon, hindi na. I'll just feed it to Claude. And ganun din yung tinuturo ko sa mga interns, sa mga, interns. Na, para mas mabilis, sabi kasi ng client, may mga leads ako, kaya lang naka-business card pa. Sabi ko, sige, send mo yung mga picture. And then the intern would help us on that one. And then sinasabi ko sa intern, sige, ipasok mo na lang sa AI. Pasok mo kay Claude. Kaya niya yan hanggang 20. So, 20 at a time, he was uploading it. And, ang trabaho na lang niya, checking. Making sure na tama. So, opo, matatapos na po, 2 weeks na lang. Ang bilis. Ang dami ko natutunan at nagawa. Batak na batak. Next training AI. Yes. So, madaming ginawa sa starter. Pinapatapos ko lang talaga yung starter. Pero matatapos na kayo. 2 week na lang. We have this week and then last week. Right? This week and last week. So, finals na ninyo yon. It's time na yung iba, kung hahabol kayo, you can. Gusto ko po, meron ng yung name ko. Tapos, yeah. It's really good. It's something that ayoko kasi talaga ng yung self-claimed lang na okay, certified ako or I know how. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, 'di ba? Madali ng EAI, doktorin, whatever. And I don't want that for you guys. I want proof talaga that you can do it. And bago ko kayo pakawalan, bago ko kayo i-vouch, bago ko kayo bigyan ng referrals or whatever, I wanna make sure muna talaga na naintindihan nyo. Otherwise, it's a failure, di ba? So, anyway, meron akong pinost nung Monday. It was about sa Monday drop natin. Let's see. If you're not yet in the group, make sure you join and comment group para mapasok kayo sa loob. Basahin yung maigi yung question. Madali lang yan. Yeah, so the free guide last week is yung application that gets ignored versus the one that gets read. Now, if you're gonna apply the workshop results mo doon sa application mo, for sure, mababasa ng client mo. It's something that would grab their attention. Okay? If you want that, comment lang ng group kasi nasa loob ng group yung details. And para sa mga members, of course, discounted yung price, but active members. Yeah, para sa mga active members, the workshop is discounted for you guys. Perks nyo yun. So, I don't wanna take that away from you guys. And then, what else? Anything else that I'm forgetting? We have the starter tonight at 7 p.m. your time. And then, please prepare. Paghandaan nyo yung AI workshop. Ako na nagsasabi sa inyo, it's something that you won't see sa mga kasabayan ko right now. It's not. Kasi, I was able to build portals after portals. Ayun, yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Ngayon nga, binigyan ko na kayo ng, di ba? Binigyan ko na kayo ng example ng ginawa namin. And you will meet my Claude. Although I don't advise that you focus on one AI tool. Pero for this one, I'm gonna be sharing to you the tools that I'm using and the products that I'm making, which generates 3 to 5K. Hindi pa full force yan, guys. Hindi pa full force. 3 to 5K sa revenue ng company. And that makes me like hinahabol ng mga client. Totoo yun, hinahabol. Hindi ako hindi ako babrag, pero totoo yun. I am just being conservative pagdating sa tinitake ko na workload right now kasi madami na. I even have my own companies na. So, take note, not just one company. I have companies. And I'm gonna be sharing that with you sa workshop. So, baka after nun, isa na rin kayo sa magte-testify sa akin na, Coach, 150K, 250K, 350K ang hire sa inyo. So, yeah, if you're not yet inside the group, make sure you join the group. I guess, maikli lang yung aking live today. Pero I guess na i-point out ko naman na sa inyo, you have a problem, address it now. Otherwise, mahihirapan talaga kayo. Thank you for joining me and I'll see you again sa members tonight. Sa iba, next Saturday. Bye!